Welcome to Denso's Repair Wrap application video. Follow the steps outlined in this video for a successful application of the product. Step 1. Clean the substrate by using a steel brush to sand or smooth down any sharp, protruding edges. Step 2. Put gloves on and knead the putty until a uniform color is achieved. Step 3. Apply the putty to the leak site within 2 minutes of mixing. Force into any cracks or holes. Step 4. Remove the repair wrap bandage from the foil pouch and soak the roll in temperate water for 20 seconds. Step 5. Begin wrapping the repair wrap bandage approximately 50 mm to the side of the repair area and continue to wrap approximately 50 mm beyond the repair area. A minimum of a 55% overlap is recommended. Step 6. Squeeze and mold the repair wrap bandage in the direction of the wrap, removing excess water and spreading resin until it is tacky to touch. Allow 30 minutes for resin to set. Visit the link below for more information and to download your copy of the repair wrap brochure.